Hi, and welcome to my review video on the new platform called Dropify AI Review. Now you can have access to a secret point-and-click domination platform that generated over $3 million in sales in less than over the last 9 months. No tech skills, no upfront costs, no manual work. Now this is basically a new cloud-based software that will give you your own dropshipping empire store without Shopify. And, Shopify is very expensive. Here's a product that's less than $17, and there's no additional fees. You get 20,000 high-demand e-commerce products with pre-chosen suppliers. No complicated HTML, zero learning curve, 100% newbie friendly. In 5 minutes a day, one-click import into your stores. You could import products. This will integrate with Shopify if you have a Shopify store, or if you have a store on WordPress, it will integrate with WordPress, integrate with CJ, Commission Junction, and you can have your own store set up even if you don't have a store already. Just with 3 steps: log in, create your store, get traffic, start making sales. You can import as many products as you want to the store. The store comes with over 20,000 products, but you can import other products from other networks. So it's designed, we're talking about a $3.6 trillion industry by 2025. So if you want to check it out, click the link below. I have a full demo on my page, so if you want to see a full demo, you'll see exactly how this works. But if you want to get into e-commerce business and make $10,000-$20,000 a month, and that's what people successful in this business make, or more than that, $50,000 a month, click the link below, check it out. This is a very solid product. You can get started today with less than the price of a pizza. Okay, it's Larry Kearney. Make sure you click the link below to get more information, because this is a no-brainer, folks. Okay, see you in the next video.